is. All right, so we've got the dresses, right? But now you may want to shape and smooth what's underneath it.
And what's above it?
That's right, we're talking tresses. Start with those blowout bars. They're becoming a huge trend nationwide, and they're hitting Philly big time.
The brand new Blowout Blow Dry Bar in Huntington Valley is the first salon in the area to offer exclusively blowouts. No cuts, no colors, just a shampoo and style.
Back in the day, women used to go to the salon just for styling purposes, not for cutting, not for color, just once or twice a week to actually get styled for any event, any party. That's what we wanted to bring back.
There are a dozen different styles to choose from, everything from a poofed-up rock star to a big-haired Southern belle to the messy beach look.
I chose the Astoria. It's a full-bodied, loose waves. It's not too tight of a curl for evening, but I'm really happy with it. It looks great.
The blow-dry bar trend is a byproduct of the recession. Instead of dropping hundreds of dollars on a full cut and color, you pay a flat rate of $35. Walk-ins are welcome, and they take appointments as late as 10 p.m.
I think it's a great idea. I mean, all my friends, we love to get our hair blown out before we go out.
Julie Walkoff went for a mix of big-haired Southern belle with lots of sexy loose curls.
It's amazing. This is the best one I ever looked, definitely.
From the suburbs to the city, more and more full-service salons like B2 on South Broad Street are adding blowout bars to their menu of services.
What is it about a blowout that changes the way you feel about yourself and the way you look?
The movement of the hair, I think.
Yeah.
You know, when you could be dressed to the nines, but if your hair isn't right, you just don't feel right.
It doesn't work.
With baseball season looming, some of the Phillies ball girls volunteered to demonstrate the looks. Samantha went for the straight up, transforming her naturally curly hair into a smooth and sleek mane. Rachel got the with a splash, straight with a little body. And Maura's style is on the rocks with lots of rockin' curls.
Do you have any looks we haven't seen yet?
We have one more.
One more. Which one's that?
With a twist.
With a twist.
And guess who's getting that one?
Who?
You.
Me.
With a twist is lots of loose waves, and stylist Jason Althouse achieved the look with nothing more than a blow dryer and a little round brush.
Wow. I love it.